Alright, so now let's go ahead and let's find the vertex for this. So when you're looking for the vertex, again, you want to look inside here. Remember your form, always remember your form. Your form is y equals, vertex form says it's a times x minus h squared plus k, where hk is your vertex. So if that's true, if you've got y equals 2 times x minus 1 squared minus 4, well, look here. Your vertex has to be 1, negative 4. That's your h and that's your k. It's in that form. So, pretty easy. When they put it in that form, it's very easy to see my vertex. My vertex here, what's my vertex here? Again, remember your form. A times x minus h squared plus k. If hk there is my vertex, what has to be my vertex? 2, negative 1 has to be my vertex. So it's very nice when they put it in vertex form for you because you can see it immediately. So now we're supposed to find the x-intercepts. Well, that's pretty easy. We either are going to go ahead and factor that, or if factoring doesn't work, we can always use the quadratic formula. So let's find them. What multiplies to give me x squared? X. What multiplies to give me negative 7? It adds to give me negative 6. Negative 7 and 1. So then how do you get 0 and how do you get 0? You get 0 in that first one when x is 7. You get 0 in that second one when x is negative 1. So I can leave it like that, or if I want, I can write them as ordered pairs. But there they are. Find these x-intercepts. Well, remember your x-intercepts, what happened over here when we did this one? Your y value there was equal to 0. So we could do the same thing. Put a y value there of 0. And probably want to go ahead here and just FOIL this out. X minus 2 squared means x minus 2 times x minus 2. So if I FOIL that out, x times x is x squared, x times a minus 2 is a minus 2x, negative 2 times x is a minus 2x, a negative 2 times a negative 2, there's a plus 4. So then I can just simply combine all my like terms, so I get x squared minus 4x, and then I got this 4 minus 1 here on the outside, 4 minus 1, there's 3. So now I've got my A, B, and C. I could use my quadratic formula, or I could use factoring now. That's in standard form. What multiplies to give me a positive 3 and adds to give me a negative 4 there? It'd be a minus 3 and a minus 1. So then how do I get 0? At 3 and 1. So those are my two x-intercepts, or I can write them as ordered pairs, and there they are. So I'm going to go ahead and do this with you, x-intercepts and vertex here. So let's do this here together. Vertex, hopefully you can see it right away now. We're starting to get used to this vertex form. Remember, this is your vertex form. HK there is your vertex. So in our example there, what's going to be our vertex there? It's got to be 5, negative 4. And then to find my x-intercepts of that, I'm going to go ahead and take that x minus 5 and multiply by x minus 5. So FOILing that out, I get x squared minus 5x minus 5x plus 25 minus 4. So really I've got x squared minus 10x plus 21. So again, use your quadratic formula, use factoring. You can find your A, B, and C if you're going to use your quadratic formula. What multiplies to give me 21 and adds to give me a negative 10? It's got to be a negative 7 and a negative 3. So then I get x equals 7 and 3. So really, my ordered pairs, my x-intercepts. Or if you like it, I could do the same thing here if I want my ordered pairs. So vertex and x-intercepts. So there they are. So we were to find the vertex when in vertex form, find the x-intercepts when in vertex form, find the vertex when in standard form, find the x-intercepts when in standard form, and then use transformation when in vertex form to graph.